All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for joining. My name is Mario Dekas. I am your host, as you all know. Hopefully, you guys are having a good day. Yes, I'm having a good day. I'm fine. We have life. We can inhale breath, so I think we can take on the day. And once you can do that, it means that you are already prepared to face the day. So, guys, hopefully, guys, as I said, you guys are doing good. What I want you guys to do, smash the like button and also hit that subscribe button. It will definitely help me and also help the channel as well. Help the channel grow. Helping the channel grow will help me. As I say, HBO, help a brother out. So we have a few things to discuss. Just two things. So Demarai Gray, we're going to speak about Demarai Gray and also Blair Turgott. So let's start off with Blair Turgott. We're going to start off with Blair Turgott first. So Blair Turgott is relegated with Östersund. Blair Turgott is relegated Östersund. Let me see if I could find it. It's going to take a while because I did it so long ago. No, there's a few things to consider with this relegation. Let me see if I can get it. I don't know what's happening, people. I do apologize. What the heck? It has been a while. It definitely has been a while. My apologies. This should have actually come up like in seconds. I think I'm close. That's Shimon Nicholson. I think I'm close. All right, so obviously I didn't post it. Are you saying that I didn't post it? Oh my word, I didn't post it, people. All right, so Blair Turgott, people, has been relegated with Östersund from the Swedish league, from the Sweden top tier division. Allsvenskan, down to the lower tier division, Superettan. And Blair Turgott, I think, I'm not sure if he will stay with Östersund because at this moment he's definitely their best player, I would say, in regards to output. He has the most output for the team. Literally, let me show you guys the table. This is what the table is like, people. This is what the table is like, and that is Östersund at the bottom of the table. Really, really poor. They only amassed 14 points. 14 points, people, in 30 games. That's poor. So they scored a total of 24 goals. And out of those 24 goals, Blair Turgott contributed 11 out of them, scoring 10 and 1 assist. And as I said, he was their most outstanding player in regards to output. Now, I'm not sure if he will actually stay at Östersund, because if you should look at the goal scoring chart, I think he's ranked in the top 10 in the goal scoring chart. He's ranked top 10 in the goal chart. Yes, he's ranked top 10 in the goal scoring chart. And he's in a team that is actually in a relegation battle, which definitely shows the talent or the quality that he has. It's quite sad. It's really quite sad for him. But I'm hoping that it is something that he can bounce back and get a move to a different club, because it's tough. We all know it's tough. It's really tough, people. And the time has come where we can assess these aspects of footballers and the games that the things that they have to do. But I think that he'll bounce back. He will definitely get a good club. The time will come. Now, the next player that I want to speak about, let's move away from Blair Turgott, this is not necessarily one that I really wanted to discuss. As you guys know, that I broke a news relatively about let me see, Demarai Gray. So I'm sure most of you guys would have remembered when I'm sure most of you guys would have remembered the incident. Let me see if I can find it.
Could you?
It's at my previous account. When Demarai Gray opted to follow the JFF, unfollow the England FA, and started to follow in JFF. And we have already heard information surrounding him sorting out his documents. We have already gotten those information. Now, Demarai is having a very, very good season, people, right at this moment. So, literally, score 5 goals, 2 assists in 15 games. As a winger, remember, as a winger, so it's not like he's a striker where you're expecting to score 10 goals going up. He's a winger and contributing to 7 goals in 15 games. That is a lot. My FPL, I had in my FPL like 2 times, and I did receive some points from him. As you know, last game that he played was against Arsenal, where he bagged Arsenal. Yeah, he bagged Arsenal, and tough, tough, tough. But at the end of the day, people, he's having a very, very good game. Now, the question that I would want to ask you guys is, do you believe that the time has passed for Demarai, or it's definitely too late to even involve Demarai in talks around joining the World Cup squad? That is the question that I'm here to discuss. Is it too late, or would it be a case in which we believe that because of all the uncertainties, it wouldn't be fitting to bring him in the squad right now? What do you guys think? That is the reason I'm asking. Go in the comment section right now and tell me, what do you guys think about that? Before I do that, I'm going to tell you guys what I think in accordance to this. Now, for sure, I know most of you guys will be having a lot of questions. So why bringing in so much of this players, so much of that players, this and that, all different type of things you guys have to say. Most of you guys always have something different to say in regards to players coming in. No, I know most people are saying, why bringing so much English players into the squad? But at this moment, we know that our local Premier League is not at the level. We know that local Premier League is not at the level, and we cannot integrate the schoolboy level. So we definitely, what the program requires right now is for us to get the talented players. No, Leon Bailey is out, and what we've seen is that the coach said he won't be back before Boxing Day. So you can just consider that going into the New Year's. There's a lot of uncertainty surrounding Leon Bailey's fitness, and I mean a lot. When he plays, he seems so fragile. As Leon Bailey would go to the ground, you're like, oh my word, that is it. That's the first thing that comes to your mind. That is it. Now, with so much uncertainty surrounding Leon Bailey, would he be a suitable replacement for Leon Bailey until we get a fully fit Leon Bailey up and running? He also could be a good addition to the squad in regards to Leon Bailey on one wing and Demarai on the other wing. But as I said, I'm just asking. I'm asking. For me, let me give you guys what I think. I think that he would definitely be a good addition. Not only that he's in good form, but he's actually a really good winger. We have seen what the players of high talent and high caliber can do, i.e. Mikel Antonio. Yes, we bashed him the first game because he didn't have a good game. And I see a lot of people bashing him, Kemar Roof. But at the end of the day, we know the talent that these guys have. And if we should be fair to ourselves, let's compensate for a level of striker in comparison to what we have before Mikel Antonio. It wasn't that really good. It wasn't good. It's not good. And his caliber, he has proven it. The last 2 games he played are real testimony to the level that he's at and to what he can do. So there's no doubt around these guys' talent and what they can do. No. Second thing, people love question commitment. We have seen an article recent around from Andre Gray about commitment, saying that he's fully commitment. And the reason why I believe Andre Gray would have done something like that is because his commitment was being questioned. And I think that is the reason why he replied. So for me, people, I think, yes, I think he would be a great addition. I'm not the type of person to say that it is too late, because I believe that in life, people, I believe in life is that it is never too late to do anything. Just the same as though it's not too late for you to even start a business today. It's not too late for you to start investing today. Because one thing we know for sure, life is short. And you can never hear someone you can never hear a case in which someone died unless that they died too late. People are always saying that they died too early, gone too soon. So it should not be the case. It should be a case in which we do things now. We do things now to get the best out of life, because that's how life is. We have one life, and it's telling us that we should definitely don't be afraid of making critical decisions, and making critical decisions to get the result that you want. So I won't go any further, people. I believe that he would be a great addition. I believe that he would be a great addition if he should definitely make that move. If we should actually bring him in. It boils down to what the JFF want to do and how they view things, because at this moment these people are really, I don't even want to say it. I don't want to use any derogatory word, but these people lack the basic concept and understanding of football. People are going to say, oh, who am I to say anything about that? What do I know about football? Yeah. No. You can say I don't know nothing. But what I do know is that 90% of the fan base are saying the same thing. 90% are saying the same thing, unless the 90% don't know anything at all. So that is football, people. Thank you guys for watching Military Guna TV, people. Guys, enjoy the rest of your day. Smash the like button, share the video. I would really appreciate it if you do so. And I am out.